Are you a student tired of juggling classes, social life, and part-time jobs that barely cover your expenses? You've probably tried a part-time job or two, maybe even tried selling things online, but those options just aren't cutting it. They either take up too much time or don't bring in enough money to make a real difference. What if I told you there are side hustles out there that not only fit into your busy student life, but can also help you earn at least $10,000 a year? In this video, I'm going to reveal some of the best side hustles specifically tailored for students. Hustles that have the potential to transform your financial situation, giving you the freedom to enjoy your college years without constantly worrying about money. This is the Next Millionaire Channel, your premier source for personal finance and wealth-building wisdom. So let's dive into this game-changing content. Number 1, be a tutor in what you're already good at. Let's start with something simple but incredibly effective: tutoring. You might be thinking, isn't that just for the geniuses? Not at all if you have a subject you're particularly good at, whether it's math, English, or even music. You can monetize that skill by tutoring others. Think about it. There's always someone who needs help in subjects you've already mastered. Tutoring can be done on your schedule, making it a perfect side hustle for students. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $60 per hour, depending on your expertise and location. Even if you only tutor a few hours a week, you could easily earn over $10,000 a year. Take Jane, a biology major who started tutoring high school students. She began by helping out her neighbor's kid with biology homework, and soon word spread. Before she knew it, she had a roster of 5 regular students, each paying her $50 an hour. Within a year, she had made over $12,000, all while balancing her college coursework. Jane's story shows how a little bit of knowledge can go a long way in building a lucrative side hustle. Number 2, sell study notes and resources. If you're the type who takes detailed notes and organizes study materials like a pro, you're sitting on a goldmine. Platforms like Stuvio and Nexus Notes allow you to upload your study notes and resources for other students to purchase. You might think, who would pay for notes? But consider this. Many students are willing to pay for high-quality notes to save time and improve their grades. In fact, some top note sellers make over $5,000 a semester just by selling notes for a few of their classes. It's a perfect example of passive income. You do the work once, and it pays off multiple times. Tim, an engineering student, was always known for his meticulous notes. After his friends suggested he sell them, he decided to give it a try. He uploaded his notes to Stuvia, and within months, his sales skyrocketed. By the end of his junior year, he had earned $15,000 just from selling notes. What's more, Tim was able to keep up with his studies without taking on extra work, proving that selling study notes can be both profitable and stress-free. Number 3, become a thumbnail designer. The third side hustle on our list is a bit more creative: becoming a thumbnail designer. You might be surprised, but YouTube thumbnails are a critical part of a video's success, and many YouTubers are willing to pay good money for eye-catching designs. If you've got a knack for graphic design, this could be a fantastic way to earn while doing something fun and creative. Creating thumbnails doesn't require a lot of time, and with practice, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $250 per thumbnail. If you land a few steady clients, it's easy to see how this can become a significant source of income. Dil Toma started designing thumbnails for gaming YouTubers when he was just 19. Initially, he charged only $15 per thumbnail, but as his skills improved, so did his rates. After landing a few high-profile YouTubers as clients, he now charges over $250 per thumbnail and makes thousands of dollars a month, all while enjoying the flexibility and creative freedom that come with working as a freelancer. Number 4, be a research assistant. Next up is a side hustle that might appeal to those of you who love diving deep into topics: becoming a research assistant. Many authors, bloggers, and content creators are on the lookout for diligent researchers who can help them gather information, summarize articles, or even assist in writing. The demand for research assistants is high, especially if you can specialize in a particular niche. Rates can vary, but it's not uncommon to earn $15 to $40 an hour for your work. And if you're already doing research for your classes, why not get paid for it too? Billy Oppenheimer's story is a prime example of how being proactive can pay off. He cold emailed Ryan Holiday, offering his research services, and landed the job as Ryan's research assistant. Now, he's an integral part of Ryan's team, working on projects that are both intellectually stimulating and financially rewarding. Billy's initiative turned a simple email into a side hustle that has opened doors to a wealth of opportunities. Number 5, become a remote sales rep. Sales might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of side hustles for students, but becoming a remote sales rep is a highly lucrative option. Many companies need skilled communicators to handle sales calls and close deals, and they're often willing to pay generous commissions for successful sales. If you're comfortable talking to people and have a persuasive edge, this side hustle could be your ticket to making serious money. Some remote sales reps earn over $100,000 a year working part-time, depending on the product or service they're selling. Wouter Tuij, a 20-year-old student from the Netherlands, started as a remote sales rep while studying full-time. He landed an internship with Sean Puri's company, where he was tasked with selling ads. Within 60 days, Wouter had sold $250,000 worth of ads, earning substantial commissions. His story shows that with the right skills and opportunities, remote sales can be a game changer for students looking to earn big while still in school. Number 6, become a web designer. Finally, let's talk about web design. In today's digital age, every business needs a website, but good web designers are hard to come by. If you're willing to invest the time to learn web design, this could become a highly profitable side hustle. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Platforms like WordPress and Webflow make it easier than ever to build beautiful, functional websites. As your skills grow, so will your rates. And before you know it, you could be earning over $10,000 for a single project. Chris' journey into web design started during a tough time in his life after a split with his wife. Determined to turn things around, Chris taught himself web design using free online tutorials. He started with small projects for friends and family, and eventually moved on to bigger clients through Upwork. Now, Chris earns over $3,000 a month, and he's just getting started. His story is proof that even in the face of challenges, the right side hustle can be a path to financial stability and success. Are you finding this video helpful so far? If you are, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights like these. And drop a comment below what's your biggest takeaway so far. I'd love to hear from you. Number 7, online tutoring. Online tutoring involves teaching students over the internet in a particular subject or skill. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Wizant allow you to connect with students from around the world who need help in areas like math, science, languages, or standardized test preparation. You can set your own schedule and rates, making it a flexible option for students. Tutors typically use video conferencing tools, online whiteboards, and other digital resources to teach effectively. This side hustle not only helps you earn money, but also solidifies your understanding of the subject you teach, providing a rewarding experience both financially and academically. Meet Sarah, a college student who turned her knack for math into a lucrative side hustle. She started tutoring her classmates and realized there was a demand for online tutoring. Sarah signed up on platforms like Chegg and Wizant, where she could connect with students who needed help in math. By charging $25 per hour and dedicating 10 hours a week, Sarah made around $1,000 per month. In just 6 months, she hit her $10,000 goal and was able to pay off her tuition fees while gaining valuable teaching experience. Number 8, print on demand (POD). Print on demand is a business model where you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. These designs are then printed and shipped to customers only when an order is placed, meaning you don't need to hold any inventory. Using platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, you can upload your designs and start selling almost immediately. The key to success in POD is finding a niche audience and creating designs that resonate with them. It's a creative and scalable side hustle that allows you to express your artistic talents while earning passive income from your designs. Alex, an art student with a passion for graphic design, started a print-on-demand business. He used platforms like Redbubble and Teespring to create designs for t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. With social media marketing and niche targeting, Alex's designs resonated with specific audiences like gamers and pet lovers. After just 3 months of consistent effort, Alex was making $500 a month. By scaling up his efforts and collaborating with influencers for more visibility, he surpassed $10,000 in total earnings in just under a year. Number 9, content creation on TikTok. Content creation on TikTok involves producing short, engaging videos that appeal to a specific audience. Whether it's life hacks, educational content, humor, or niche interests, TikTok offers a platform to showcase your creativity and grow a following quickly. Once you've built a substantial audience, you can monetize your content through brand partnerships, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. TikTok also offers a creator fund that pays you based on the views your videos receive. This side hustle is ideal for students who enjoy being on camera, have a flair for storytelling, and want to build a personal brand while making money online. Lena, a communications student, started creating short, engaging videos on TikTok about study hacks and student life. Her content quickly went viral, and she gained a substantial following. Lena monetized her TikTok presence through brand partnerships and by promoting study-related products using affiliate links. By staying consistent and connecting with her audience, Lena was able to make $2,000 a month. Within 5 months, she had crossed the $10,000 mark, all while enjoying the creative process and building a personal brand. Number 10, content creation on YouTube. Content creation on YouTube involves producing and uploading videos that cater to a specific audience's interests or needs. As a YouTuber, you can create content on a wide range of topics, such as education, gaming, tech reviews, personal finance, lifestyle, or even vlogging about your daily life. The platform offers various monetization options, including ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. YouTube requires consistency, creativity, and patience, but it can be highly rewarding both financially and in terms of personal growth. For students, it's a flexible way to earn money while building a personal brand and gaining valuable skills in video production, editing, and digital marketing. Take the example of Jade Dharmawangsa, who started her YouTube channel as a teenager. She focused on sharing tips about social media growth, entrepreneurship, and personal development. By consistently uploading valuable content and engaging with her audience, Jade quickly grew her channel. At 18, she had over 200,000 subscribers and was earning a significant income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and her own digital products. Jade's success on YouTube allowed her to build a personal brand, launch a digital marketing agency, and become a sought-after speaker in the business world, all while still in school. Her journey highlights how YouTube content creation can be a powerful side hustle that opens doors to multiple income streams and career opportunities. So now a bonus for you, a complete strategy to achieve $10,000 with side hustles using the internet. Achieving $10,000 with side hustles may seem daunting, but with a solid strategy and consistent effort, it's more than possible. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you hit that goal. Step 1. Choose your hustle. First, pick 1 or 2 side hustles that align with your skills and interests. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you might combine thumbnail designing and print on demand. If you enjoy helping others learn, online tutoring could be your main focus. Step 2. Set a financial goal and timeline. To make $10,000, let's break it down into manageable milestones. Goal, $10,000. Timeline, 6 months, 180 days. Required daily income, $56 per day, rounded up. Step 3, create a schedule. Now allocate time each day for your side hustles. Here's a sample schedule. 2 hours a day, thumbnail design, $50 an hour. 1 hour a day, online tutoring, $25 an hour. 1 hour a day, marketing your services on social media. 1 hour per day, learning and improving your skills. Step 4, marketing and scaling. To boost your earnings, focus on marketing. Social media. Post daily on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to reach your target audience. Networking. Join online communities and forums related to your side hustle to get more clients or sales. Referrals. Offer discounts to clients who refer new customers. Step 5, track and adjust. Every week, track your earnings and adjust your strategy if needed. If one side hustle is outperforming the other, consider dedicating more time to it. Step 6, hit milestones. Aim to hit the following milestones. Month 1, $1,000 getting started. Month 3, $5,000 scaling up. Month 6, $10,000 goal achieved. By following this strategy and staying consistent, you can realistically make $10,000 with internet-based side hustles while balancing your studies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe for more insight. So that's it, folks. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. The next millionaire is you.